Do you want to generate unlimited videos from VEO 3 without any limits or access denied issues? Let's dive into the method. But before starting the video, let me show you the proof of all those videos I have generated today for this tutorial.
Open your browser and go to gemini.google.com. Click Upgrade in the top right corner and you will land on Google One page. Now here is the trick. Google is offering 1 month of free trial without charging a penny. Click on Get Offer. Now click on Add Payment Details. You can add any virtual card that has zero balance in it. If you don't have a virtual card, comment below and I will make a tutorial on how to get it for free. Once you add your card details, you will be redirected to Gemini's main page. And here you can see the Pro mode is active. But the problem is you can only generate 3 videos within 24 hours. How to get it unlimited? Go to Google Labs Flow. You can search it on Google. Here inside the Flow page, you will need to log in with your Google account used to purchase the Gemini trial. Once you are inside, just click on Create Project. Here inside the prompt box, put in your prompt and VEO 3 will generate 2 variants for each prompt. Preview the both videos and download the best version of your imagination.
Do not forget to subscribe the channel if this method worked for you.